Welcome to Gilgit-Baltistan, a realm of breathtaking landscapes and timeless beauty. Here, the towering peaks of the Karakoram, Himalayas, and Hindu Kush ranges converge, creating a dramatic backdrop to a land rich in natural wonders and cultural heritage. Yet this paradise faces a dire threat: deforestation and climate change. To combat this crisis, the government of Pakistan launched an ambitious initiative, the 10 Billion Tree Tsunami Program, or a program designed not only to restore the environment, but to transform the very fabric of the region. Keeping in view the global acknowledgement and the critical need for the project, the current government has repositioned it under the new title Upscaling of Green Pakistan Program. The natural forest in GB covers an area of 2,400 square kilometers, that is 3.58% of the total land, which falls under two broad categories: private forests and state-owned protected forests. The private forests, which form the bulk of the forest resources in GB, 71% of the total forest wealth, regulated and managed by the department in accordance with the Accession Deed 1952 and Gilgit-Baltistan Forest Act 2019. In response to this environmental crisis, the Upscaling Green Pakistan program, in collaboration with Forest Department GB, has assigned a target of planting 170 million trees to support the initiative. The department is set to achieve its target by planting 50 million new trees and encouraging 120 million through assisted natural regeneration. The Upscaling Green Pakistan program is not just about planting trees, it's about creating a sustainable future. More than 1,200 million rupees have been channeled into creating jobs, setting up private nurseries, and procuring plants, giving a significant financial boost to communities. By empowering locals, the program fosters economic stability alongside environmental protection. Planting millions of trees in a region as rugged as Gilgit-Baltistan is no small feat. To reach its goal, the department uses various reforestation techniques, including block plantation, private nurseries, assisted natural regeneration, fruit orchards, and water delivery projects. A key strategy employed by the Upscaling Green Pakistan program is block plantation, where trees are planted in defined rectangular areas. This method optimizes land use, enhances forest density, and facilitates efficient management. In Gilgit-Baltistan, numerous such blocks have been established, and more than 38 million trees are planted in all districts of GB, each contributing to the region's reforestation goals.
ये जो ज़मीन जो है पहले एक रेगिस्तान था। फिर हमने फैसला किया कि क्यों ना इसको किसी गवर्नमेंट महकमे से मिलकर जो है इसको आबाद किया जाए। 10 मिलियन ट्री सुनामी के तहत हमें जो है हमारे साथ ताउन किया। हमने जो है यहाँ पे लॉन्ग शूट पौधे लगाए, इसके एवज़ उन्होंने हमें मुआवजा भी दिया। ये जो इरिगेशन था, ज़मीनी कटाव था, दरियाई कटाव था, एक तो वो बच गया। दूसरा जो है सरसब्ज़ शादाब हो गए। हमारी जो बंजर ज़मीन थी, एक रेगिस्तान था, वो रेगिस्तान जो है खूबसूरत बाग की शक्ल अख्तियार कर गए।
पिछले सालों में जब ये 10 बिलियन ट्री सुनामी का प्रोजेक्ट आया, तो इनकी मदद से फिर मुझे ये फैसिलिटी हो गई कि मैंने इस तकरीबन 100 कनाल में से पिछले साल ही आधे से ज़्यादा को पिछले एक ही साल में तकरीबन 14-15 हज़ार मैंने पौधे लगाए। तो इन्होंने फाइनेंशियली भी मेरी मदद की। तो इस तरह से मुझे कम टाइम में इसको डेवलप करने का मुझे मौका मिला।
मैंने यहाँ पर प्लांटेशन करके कलम लगाया था महकमा जंगलात के थ्रू। तो पिछले साल मैंने 17,000 तक मैंने लगाया, उसमें से एक भी नाकाम नहीं हुई। अल्लाह के फजल से पूरा कामयाब हुआ है। इस साल फिर मैंने 12,000 लगा दिया है, वो भी अल्लाह के पाक के फजल से कामयाब हुआ है। मैं महकमा जंगलात की शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। कम से कम 50,000 से ज़्यादा मैं पौधे लगा दूँगा।
Assisted natural regeneration supports the recovery of degraded lands by protecting and nurturing young saplings, allowing nature to heal itself. To ensure the success, the department has hired locals to guard the geofenced areas to minimize human interventions. More than 30,000 hectares of area is geofenced, and more than 58 million plants are successfully regenerated and protected.
सर, ये ANR से हमारे लिए फ़ायदा ज़्यादातर ये हो रहा है कि 15 मुलाजिमत भी हमारे लिए आ गई। ये जो जंगल है, जंगल का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ भी हो गया। रीजनरेशन हमारे पास ज़्यादा हो गई है। ये जो बंद किया इसके बाद ये बिल्कुल अवामी भी बहुत हमारे लिए फ़ायदेमंद हो गया है सर।
Private nurseries are also flourishing, providing a sustainable source of saplings while creating employment opportunities for local communities. There was a provision of establishing 240 private forest nurseries all over GB, and the targeted 240 nurseries have been established. These nurseries are the backbone of the reforestation efforts, ensuring a steady supply of diverse and healthy plants.
10 बिलियन सुनामी के प्रोग्राम के थ्रू हमारे यहाँ पर तकरीबन कोई 2019 से 2024 तक कोई 1 करोड़ 20 लाख पौधे इशू हुए हैं, जिसके मद में हमने 24 करोड़ रुपए हमारे कम्युनिटी को मिला है। इस प्रोग्राम के तहत हमारे यहाँ पर जितने भी गरीब गुरबा हैं, किसान हैं, उन सब ने फ़ायदा लिया है इस चीज़ से। डिपार्टमेंट के बड़ी मेहरबानी है, शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
In addition to forest trees, fruit orchards are being established, offering dual benefits of ecological restoration and food security. More than 5.3 million fruit trees were planted in GB. These orchards not only enhance the landscape, but also provide a vital source of income for local families and improve socioeconomic growth in the region.
10 मिलियन जो ट्री का प्रोजेक्ट था, वहाँ से एग्रीकल्चर वालों ने हमें पौधे दिए थे। ये 4 साल पहले, अभी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह यहाँ से हमने ठीक ठाक आमदनी कमाया है। जो फूल खिलता है उससे पहले ही जो ठेकेदार लोग हैं वो आके हमें पैसे देते हैं और हमारा ठीक ठाक मुनाफा हो रहा है यहाँ से।
Water management is crucial in this rugged terrain, and the introduction of lift irrigation systems is revolutionizing plantation. By lifting water from rivers and streams to higher altitudes, 40 of these water delivery projects are completed in all districts of GB, and these systems are enabling plantation in the most difficult areas and fostering sustainable forestation. The impact of the Upscaling Green Pakistan program is already visible. These projects are monitored by IUCN, FAO, and WWF as third-party consortium. Their reports are the proof of the success of the Upscaling Green Pakistan program. This initiative also opens up opportunities for a carbon credit program, attracting global investment and creating a sustainable funding source to maintain and expand reforestation. This will support economic growth for Pakistan in the global carbon market. Areas once barren are now lush with greenery. Wildlife is returning and communities are thriving. The journey is far from over. The Upscaling of Green Pakistan program is a long-term commitment to the environment and the people of Gilgit-Baltistan. The Upscaling of Green Pakistan program is not just about planting trees, it's about planting hopes.